this is Divya Khosla Kumar.
And I'm Yami Gautam.
And I'm Pulkit Samrat. And you're watching Bollywood
Bollywood
Hungama.
Bollywood Hungama.
You can still redeem yourself, Pulkit.
Yes,
That
please.
will
How
still
can I
give
do
you
that?
More option. We're having this rapid fire section. So
Okay.
you'll have to give us like really quirky answers. And
I
then
take only
we'll-
3 minutes to answer a question.
So-
It's the best thing for
Okay,
me.
but we'll start with Divya ma'am.
Yes, let's go.
True or false?
Yeah.
If
Say
there
false.
was... No, Shika.
Arey, let me hear the
Just say the
question.
question actually. You know? Listen. True or false? If there was an award for most beautiful director, I would have won every year.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You can just say false to that.
True.
True. I like that confidence. I really like this confidence. Who troubled you the most on Sanam Re's set?
Should I tell the name?
G.
Pulkit Samrat. I'm sorry, Pulkit, but that's true.
क्योंकि मैं शर्ट उतारने से मना करता था, सर्दी होती थी.
Okay, an actor and actress you're dying to direct, ma'am.
Oh my god. I mean, there's nobody. It depends upon the script. I'm not dying to direct
नहीं,
anybody.
अब तो हम फेवरेट हो गए.
Okay. Your all-time favorite romantic film. I think that should be interesting.
Oh, I love so many. I love Lamhe, Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam.
Okay.
So I think all Yashji's movies and Sanjay Leela Bhansali's movies, all of them you can
Okay.
count in.
If given a chance to remake and direct any superhit romantic Bollywood film from past, which film will it be, ma'am?
Remake. I
Right.
think I would rather look for a new story because that gets me more exciting.
Acha, that's interesting. A romantic pair from Bollywood you think can never be matched in terms of romance.
Pulkit and Yami.
Oh, that was...
Yeah, we are creating history sitting here, right? अभी आप बात एक साल बात करना.
Next year
That is
का
confidence, yeah.
If you'd like to, anyone else?
Can never be matched. Then maybe Shah Rukh and Kajol can never be matched.
Okay. One last question for you, ma'am. Most romantic song you can hear on loop and never get bored.
Oh, Sanam Re.
But it's a very nice.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's a fab
It's
song.
Right now it's Sanam Re, so I'm
Absolutely.
talking about my present.
But it's got that evergreen value to it.
Absolutely.
It's got that
Okay.
quality.
What we'll do is we'll come to you last so that you can literally redeem yourself.
Thank you.
Okay, so we'll come with the.
Yes,
Yeah.
We'll
please.
just get done with the ladies.
मैं वैसे
first.
भी यही बोल देता हूँ, ladies first.
Okay. An actor with whom you'd like to go on a camping trip to a picturesque location, the way you do with Pulkit and Gazab Ka Hai song.
An actor?
Yeah. Or anyone else that you'd like to.
Yeah.
Safest. Rishi ji.
We're friends. I'm dying to do a camping trip really with my friends. They're from Chandigarh.
Your first reaction when you saw Pulkit wearing an unbuttoned shirt riding a horse. You can tell us honestly.
And Pulkit was specially showing his shot. आजा मेरा देख मेरी क्या टेक दी है देख
Right.
क्या लग रहा है.
She couldn't take her eyes off the horse.
Like a honest.
No, it
not
is.
a
It's
politically
like how all the girls are reacting. That oh my god, he's looking so handsome.
I think it was very cold on the set. You know, we needed somebody to heat up.
So he
the
was the one who
atmosphere.
was heating
So I
things up.
told him, sure
Okay.
to that. Yeah, do that job.
Your biggest inspiration in Bollywood,
Mr. Bachchan.
Mr. Bachchan.
Yes.
If given a chance to take any celeb out on a date on Valentine's Day, who that celebrity will be?
That'll be her.
You like
Bullshit.
That'll be her because she's given me the most romantic movie of I'm sure of my life.
Right.
And
देखती हूँ Valentine's Day वाले दिन Yami
we are going to be definitely together. 100% I'm going to make sure we will be together.
See, look at Pulkit's उदास चेहरा.
नहीं, if it's internationally
You're trying
valid,
to hint
if it's
something like-
internationally valid,
I'm just
Okay.
saying that
Then
they are playing
she'll
a
say
romantic
Brad Pitt.
couple.
Ji.
So she should rather say.
Other than I would have said Brad
We're not
Pitt.
reading into anything.
Brad Pitt and
Okay.
Ben Affleck.
Brad Pitt. Oh, she's been
And
safe
Ben
now.
Affleck.
ये तो मैंने दे दिया आंसर.
If you can dedicate any love songs to the following celebrities, Shah Rukh Khan. If you can dedicate any song to Shah Rukh Khan,
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम.
Salman Khan.
Oh, जाने रहना.
Oh,
I
Khan.
would say romantic, but that's something which I relate a lot to
Right.
him because he looks so good in that song.
If you'd like to dedicate any love song to Pulkit Samrat,
Sanam Re.
पूरी picture करनी है.
No,
पूरी
but
picture
give a good
dedicated
answer.
है.
Sanam Re.
Sanam Re.
Title track.
Okay. Any other song apart from that?
तुम बिन जिया जाए कैसे.
No, to Pulkit see, Pulkit के लिए it's not वो तो सब पूरा एक्टिंग किया है ना. Pulkit के लिए romantic song क्यों करूँगी dedicate? But that's what I said. The title track remains very special.
We'll settle for that.
Yeah.
We'll settle for that. What is love for you?
Food.
He's actually, you can give him my point. That's food. I love food. I think about food. I dream
she's
about
been nice
food.
to you.
I fantasize about
Bas
food.
we connected
I
on
love
food.
food.
Acha.
I love food. Seriously. That's not a diplomatic answer.
But food is love for you.
Food is
But if someone gives you food, so you'll fall in love with that person.
Not someone. It has to be really good food.
We go to Halwai. You marry
I want to
Halwai?
marry a halwai. I swear. Ask any of my friends. That was my dream. I want to marry halwai.
I think lunchtime हो गया इसलिए ऐसे answer आया.
I'm not lying. You can ask my
please.
mother.
No,
My
we trust
friends.
you. We trust you.
अच्छा define love ना, define love. What is
No,
love?
define love, not
Say it.
I don't know.
We all want to know.
But love is not halwai for you or jalebi.
India wants to know what is love for Yami
I don't
Gautam.
know. That's something which you can't. I don't think you can really define it in words. That's something. That's a spark. That's a magic moment which happens only when one person. Where it happens, how it happens, with whom it happens. It's you just never know. It just happens.
It just happens.
Just happens.
Love happens.
Love just happens.
We'll settle for that. If given a chance to gift anything, materialistic or non-materialistic, to your Valentine, what would that thing be? Like, you'd like to share something, or is it too personal?
It's too personal because I don't have a Valentine right now. So
Okay.
yeah.
दुखते रखती छोड़ी.
We'll settle for that as well. We'll surely. Okay, so but I think Pulkit Samrat, both the ladies have done extremely well.
कौन सा well? 4 आंसर तो मैंने दिए हैं.
No. They've
कैसे well?
done. Seriously, they've done extremely well. You'll have to
Okay.
accept that.
चलो let's do
So
this.
now we'll
Let's
come
try
to
and do
you.
it. Oh my God, इतना
If
लंबा
there's one
pause.
thing you'd like to change about yourself, what would that be?
I think I would like to change, or maybe actually have the power to say no.
Okay.
I'm very bad at that. I can't say no. Like किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया या ये कर दो वो कर दो, मैं कर दूंगा. उसके बाद चाहे regret करूँ चाहे जो भी है, I will not even complain about that. But I have to learn to say no.
That's a good thing, actually. Besides Salman, which is that one Khan that you're dying to work with, is there anyone that you like? This?
Irfan Khan.
Irfan Khan?
He's fab.
That's a good.
He's amazing.
That's a good choice. Pulkit Samrat, what would you do if you get stuck in a lift with Urvashi and Yami?
Urushi and Yami.
Yeah.
Uh,
Please be honest about it.
If I get stuck in a lift with Urushi and Yami, I'll make sure both of them are comfortable. Because both of them, थोड़ी देर बाद तो फिर सांस भी नहीं आएगी, फिर अंधेरा भी हो जाएगा. तो I'll have to take care of both the ladies.
We can visualize that. If you have to dedicate any love songs to the following celebrities,
Yes.
if you dedicate Yami Gautam, if you'd like to dedicate any love song to Yami
That would be Jeena Jeena.
Gautam. Gina.
Yeah. Badlapur.
Asha.
Yeah. That was a nice song.
Right.
Yeah.
And that's a good answer actually, to be honest.
कौन सा चाहिए वो बोल देता हूँ.
नहीं, Gina is
You're
fine.
not looking satisfied.
No,
Yeah.
it's fine. Then why I'm happy is that you're not taking from your present film and you're giving something which is
Present film का नाम आप ले लोगे, काफी है.
right. That I like that. What is love for you?
See, love is, I think so, when you can be yourself with a person, you understand that you love the person. Because, see, you can be yourself with your family, you can be yourself with your friends. So, if such a person is in your life with whom you can actually just be yourself and you don't have to pretend anything, there's no wall, I think that's the correct idea of love.
She approves of that. That's a good. She approves of that.
We both approve.
Good. I'm saying since I'm not.
मैं आंसर सारे ऐसे तो सब लड़कियों को पसंद आते हैं.
बिल्कुल. Red for love, yellow for friendship, blue for mystery. I'll list a few celebs.
Okay.
You have to give one rose to each of them.
Okay.
Yami Gautam.
I
I
think
can
blue.
guess that. Blue.
Blue. Blue.
She's mysterious to you?
Arey, the first time when we met, that was some 5 years ago. We shot a music video together at that time.
Right.
We were there together for 3 days in Goa. We shot for 2 days and we spoke. Spoke also what? Hi, I'm Pulkit. Hi, I'm Yami. Last day, last shot. That's it.
That's
I should give that rose. Give blue rose to you also.
Why to me?
It was mutual.
अरे बहुत खड़ूस थी यार.
we believe you.
And then
You believe him that I'm Khadus?
No,
Yeah.
we believe that you guys didn't speak.
No, not at all.
believe that.
And now when we met again,
Ji.
it came as a surprise that she has such a good sense of humor. She's an amazing person to be with. So it was a revelation.
Okay, Divya Khosla Kumar.
I'll give her red.
Red.
Oh my
I
god.
would answer that.
100% red. Yeah.
Oh, I hope.
I told you I can fight Bhushan Kumar for.
कुछ भी बोलो.
Yeah, but madam, actually, just with this answer, actually,
Yeah, if you can be honest, I can't be honest or what?
he is winning it actually. And
He's a happy person.
it's a.
Achha, what rose will you give her?
I'll give her all the roses actually.
All the roses? Yellow.
No, not the mystery one, but friendship and the love one. I
No,
think.
you love me? No.
Because
Achha,
I
be
think
my friend?
the sort of movies that you're
What's the
making, I
mystery
think,
behind
is
it?
very different.
No, the way she has presented me, I think this is the kind of film that we have actually grown up to. You know, watching these kind of films. पेड़ों के आसपास गाने गाना,
क्या बात?
नदियों पे और घोड़े पे शर्ट खोलकर लड़की के पीछे भागना, इधर से हवा चल रही है, लड़की की साड़ी हिल रही है. तो we have seen Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan do all this since ages. So when you get a chance to do this, and so beautifully she has captured it all. So I think yeah,
Ma'am,
I love
this deserves an applause. This deserves an यामी जी आप mysterious हैं लेकिन
It has-
तारीफ
it has to be
करना
that.
है. Okay, finally Sonam Kapoor.
Sonam Kapoor would be yellow ही बचा है ना? I'll give her yellow, yeah.
Friendship.
But I can give yeah, yellow.
You can give one rose to two people as well. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
I can.
We'll have more roses for you.
I'll give her maybe blue. She has a certain mystery to herself.
अच्छा.
Yeah, she's got a certain kind of mood swing or something. हाँ वो बहुत
I
चुलबुली
hope
भी
so.
है, बहुत चुलबुली भी है. Then suddenly she'll be no because she's very focused on her work.
Right,
And
right.
suddenly you don't understand why she in this mood. अरे अभी तो फिर पता चलता है नहीं सुबह से कार्ब्स नहीं खाए हैं इसलिए ऐसी हैं. Oh okay, फिर ठीक है.
I hope Sonam doesn't watch this interview.
I'm kidding.
Okay. If with your approval, we'll have to
Absolutely.
give this one to.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
To
yeah.
Pulkit.
I think
Pulkit,
Pulkit Samrar.
yeah.
I think he has really.
Absolutely.
Really? This
But
is my
he has-
first rapid fire ever.
And he has really strived
Yeah.
hard for it, and he has given some really cool. So, Pulkit
I
Samrar,
underplayed.
congratulations.
I'm very
You
I
underplayed.
underplayed.
Really? कमाल है. इनके 4,000 रुपए दिए.
Congratulations, and I think you've been extremely
What's the
good at
hamper,
that.
man?
Hamper आपके घर पे है.
और आपको गुरु करण?
नहीं hamper आपके घर पे आ जाएगा. It's something different sort of.
Yeah.
उसमें we don't put like liquor and everything, so it will be something different. We had a request actually, if you guys can maybe hum a few lines from Sanam Re for us.
Yes, of course. We are always ready to do that.
Yes.
जब भी हमारे पिक्चर को बेचे हम वो सब करते हैं. बोलिए
If you
कौन सा
can, if you can
गाना
please join us.
Sanam
Sanam
Re?
Re title song.
Sanam
if you
Re,
can.
yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. भीगी भीगी सड़कों पे मैं तेरा इंतजार करूं, धीरे धीरे दिल की ज़मीं को तेरे ही नाम करूं, खुद को मैं यूं खो दूं कि फिर ना कभी पाऊं, हौले हौले जिंदगी को अब तेरे हवाले करूं, सनम रे तू मेरा सनम हुआ रे. This is what they do with me always. They start the three of us and then they both go.
Because he's the best
Mom.
singer out of us.
No, I think
I'm the only one talking to
that is
Because he practices. He just says कि मुझे नहीं आता. He
he's
practices.
totally into it. Actually, totally into it.
I'm very excited for the film. Yeah, why will I not be?
Yeah, absolutely. You should be actually. You should be.
Yeah.
And so thank you very much,
Thank
Divya ji,
you
and
so much.
Thank you.
and
आपकी आंखों में
Pulkit
जो
Samrar.
शैतानी दिखी है मुझे पूरी एक और तो बनता है.
नहीं.
अभी वरुण धवन के लिए एक और करेंगे हम.
So thank you very much, and all the best wishes for the
Thank
movie.
you
We
so
really hope that
much.
it does exceedingly well.
Thank you.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hangama. Keep on watching.